What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. Man, I love Snickers. Snickers is like the best chocolate bar out there in my opinion. It has the right amount of chocolate, peanuts, caramel, and like that thing inside called nougat, whatever it is. It's just perfect. The feeling you get when you guys have a Snickers bar is one of a kind, man. It's a good feeling. But the real question is, have you guys ever tried a Snickers protein shake? I bet not. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Snickers protein shake. Not just the regular one, but a 1,000-calorie one. I've been making this protein shake for some time now, and it's just so good and addictive, and it's pretty bomb, man. You guys will definitely enjoy it. But note, this protein shake is not made for weight loss. It's made for weight gain, so my ectomorphs and my skinny guys, this one's for you. Let's go ahead and get into it. All I ask in return is a like and subscribing if you haven't already. Alright, let's start off with the ingredients. To make this 1,000-calorie Snickers protein shake, you guys would need the following: whole milk, chocolate whey protein, Snickers ice cream, banana, peanut butter, and obviously a Snickers bar. So as you guys can see, it's not many ingredients, only 6, and honestly you can get them from any grocery store. Before we go ahead and put it into the blender, we're going to get the Snickers bar and we're going to cut off just 15 grams of it, which is only a quarter of the whole bar. We're going to go ahead and cut it into small pieces and put it for later, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is going to be used for. After that's nice and done, we're going to go ahead and put these amount of ingredients into the blender. First, we're going to be putting 1 glass or 250 milliliters of whole milk, 152 calories, 8 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat. Whole milk is obviously one of the greatest things you guys can add to your diet to gain weight. After that, we're going to put 1.5 scoop of chocolate whey protein, and this has about 32 grams of protein and 5 grams of carbs, total of 166 calories. After that, we're going to put 150 grams of Snickers ice cream, which has a whopping 406 calories, 44 grams of carbs, 8 grams of protein, surprisingly, but that's because Snickers ice cream has peanuts in it already. And so we already know that those contain some protein as it is. So that's obviously going to increase the protein here, which is good in our benefit because we're trying to gain some weight and make some gains at the same time. Then we're going to put 1 banana, which has 100 calories and 24 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber. We need that fiber, guys. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 100 calories, 4 grams of protein, 8 grams of healthy fats. And honestly, peanut butter works well with the Snickers protein shake because Snickers already have peanuts in it, so it works perfectly. We're going to go ahead and blend that up, blend it nice and well. Once it's nice and done, we're going to go ahead and pour it into the cup. I do want to mention here, this is 2 servings. Not 1, but 2 servings of the exact same cup you see here. After the cup is nicely filled, we're going to go back to that Snickers bar that we cut, and we're just going to sprinkle that all over. By the way, this has 1 gram of protein, 9 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fats, and 76 calories. So that's adding another 76 calories on top of that. And honestly, just look at that, guys. Look how good that looks like. Like, Jesus Christ. I melt every time I have it. It's so satisfying. It's delicious. It just looks so good, man. You can't deny that. Total calories that this Snickers protein shake has is 1,000. It's right on the dot, 1,000 calories. Total macros here is 54 grams of protein, 97 grams of carbs, 44 grams of fats, and 4 grams of fiber. Now, if you guys decide to drink the whole thing, the whole Snickers protein shake in one go, you should be full for about 50 minutes to an hour tops. But if you guys take 1 glass at a time, you should be full for about 20 to 30 minutes. And not to mention, each glass is about 500 calories. 500 calories and you're full for 20-30 minutes? That's insane. What I recommend you guys do here is drink 1 glass before a workout as a pre-workout and have the other one post-workout. This way you guys can have a great workout and a great recovery after. What I don't recommend is to have the entire thing post-workout because it's gonna be too much for the body. This is more of a pre-workout drink. If you want to have the whole thing, have it an hour before you go to the gym. And when you guys have this an hour before you go to the gym, man, the amount of pump that you get in the gym, the amount of weights and iron you're lifting, the amount of PRs you're going to break is absolutely insane. When I drink the whole thing as a pre-workout, like the whole freaking protein shake before a pre-workout, my veins feel like it's gonna be popping out of my skin, man. The rush that I feel, man, it's a great pre-workout, and I'm telling you, you have one of the best workouts ever. One bad thing I didn't like about this protein shake is that the banana is overpowering the taste. So what I recommend is cut the banana in half or remove the banana entirely and replace it and increase the amount of peanut butter and ice cream, and you'll have more of a Snickers taste. And there you guys have it, man. Freaking delicious, easy to make. Literally all the ingredients you need is just down the road in the grocery store. Just come and just make it. You guys will just get addicted to it, man. I promise you. I want you guys to go ahead and try it and then come back to this video and comment down below, because I'm actually pretty confident that you guys will really enjoy this video. You guys will be blown out of the water by the taste. So come back to this video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you guys really did enjoy this video, check out this Oreo 1000 calorie protein shake, this Nesquik 1000 calorie protein shake, and this other 1000 calorie protein shake, which I kind of lost count because I did so many of them. Check that out, guys. You guys will definitely have some good ideas and get creative with these protein shakes. Don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.